A lot of people say that tying gele on their own heads is not easy at all. It is easier to tie on someone's head than to tie on your own head, and I agree. Okay, but it's something that you can actually do if you put your mind to it, especially styles that are very simple and just takes less time, like this particular one. In less than 5 minutes, guys, I'm telling you, you are going to get this style done in less than 5 minutes. This video is just 3 minutes and 9 seconds. So even if you delay, maximum time is 5 minutes. Okay, so the ratio here is 80-20. The short flap is 20, while the long one is 80. Place the short one on your head just like this, and then twist the longer part and place it on it. I wanted to make this video, but I didn't have any pins. And I said to myself, okay, without pins, of course, something has to be done. You don't have to depend on pins all the time. So I figured out a style that would work for this type of gele without pins. Of course, this gele is firm. If yours is firm too, you don't need it. But if it's not firm, you can actually use pins. Okay, so just knot it by the side, exactly like this, so that it stays put. It is the knotting that makes make it stay firm on your head without falling apart. Okay, so whatever you're going to do now is just styling, arranging it, and just putting it all together just the way you like it, according to your preference. You may not do it exactly the way I am doing it right now, okay, but you're going to have something that is worth stepping out with. That I can guarantee you. So just use your hands, walk around it, play with it. Okay, just sharp, and you have something really beautiful. Like, can you see? You're good to go like this, but I did not let it be. Why? I just kept on touching and touching and touching, because I felt like, oh, I can still get something better. Oh, I can get something better. So I kept touching. So okay, it was looking so pretty already, very beautiful. Can you see that? You can step out with this, but then I thought, put it in the middle and see what happens. Brothers and sisters, which do you like best? Do you want this, or do you prefer this one to that, or you prefer that other one to this one? I don't know which one I prefer, because they both look so pretty. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye.